I am going to show you the exact editing workflow that turns a raw voiceover and a folder of footage into a fully polished YouTube short in under 45 minutes using two completely free tools. And once you see how this system runs, you will never approach editing the same way again. Most shorts look amateur not because the creator lacks talent but because they lack a system. This video gives you the system. Start in CapCut and do not touch your footage first. Import your voiceover and drop it on the timeline as your spine. Everything else gets built around it. Listen through once, identify the 3 to 5 moments where the energy shifts, a reveal landing, a statement hitting, a question dropping. Those are your cut points. Mark them before a single piece of footage enters the timeline. Then your master template does the heavy lifting. Caption style already set. Color grading already applied. Music already sitting at the right level under your narration. Every video starts from a professional foundation. You are not building from scratch every time. You are populating a system. Run auto captions immediately. Retention data is clear. Captions keep people watching, especially on mobile where most viewers have sound off. Then run silence removal. Every breath that ran too long, every pause that lost momentum, gone automatically. The version that comes out is tighter and more commanding than what went in. Now move to Canva for your thumbnail. This is a sales tool, not decoration. Its entire job is answering one question for the viewer scrolling past. What am I going to feel if I watch this? Change 3 things only. Background image, headline text in 5 words or fewer, and your brand color. Done in 15 minutes. Consistent, clickable, recognizable as yours. Export from CapCut at 1080 by 1920. Upload with your vidIQ title, keyword description, and tags already prepared. Every upload is a complete package, not just a video file. 45 minutes. Professional short. 0 design skills required. So here is the honest question. CapCut and Canva are both free, both accessible right now, and this entire workflow fits inside a lunch break. What is the real reason your shorts are not consistent yet? And when you answer that, ask yourself whether it is actually true. Drop it in the comments. Follow this channel. And check the description because every tool in this workflow is linked and ready for you right now.